Being sexist helps you stand out among progressive minds and offers you the spotlight you deserve for your not so liberal views and sticking to your time tested orthodox thinking. Without wasting any time, let's dive right in. Step number one, learn basic stereotypes. As always, start from the basics, and in this case, make sure basic stereotypes are on your tips. For example, judging a woman's character when she is being overly friendly, judging a man when he cries like a woman, calling a woman who marries a rich guy a gold digger, calling a man who marries a beautiful woman all about the flesh, and so on. Once you learn these as good as Neo learned Jujitsu in the Matrix, move on to the next step. Tip number 2. Preach behavioral norms. No matter what the reality is, you need to preach gender-based behavioral norms. Believe that people exhibit behaviors specific to their gender. For example, men must earn while women must raise kids. Women can defend themselves. Real men don't cry, don't fear. Women are too dramatic, etc. You must reach a point where things like stay-at-home husbands, women entrepreneurs, or both men and women running a drug cartel as partners make you uncomfortable. The last one can be an exception though. Tip number 3. Think one gender deserves more than the other. You are a sexist if you believe that people deserve opportunities based on their gender. You can be overly critical of one gender while being sympathetic towards the other. The bias may reflect in the form of beliefs like, let's say, male criminals deserve severe punishment. Women can be good soldiers. Women don't deserve a driver's license, or hailing a woman for being able to drive, etc. Tip number 4. Objectify. Objectifying is the most fun kind of sexism because you get to treat people as if they are not people and are objects. Passing comments on the bodily features of a woman, telling men that it's their job to earn enough to feed the whole family, or comparing who deserves whom based on physical appearance are all cases of objectification. Basically, you judge a person not for who he is or she is, but for what they can be useful for. Subtle, I know. Tip number 5. Assassinate their character. Do you ever hesitate before calling a woman who is friendly with multiple men a slut? Do you think men and women can never be just friends? Do you feel men should stop socializing with other women once they are married? Do you feel men or women should cover their skin well while dressing up? If any of these questions seem normal to you, you are already great at character assassination. Just use your power to discriminate among genders and you would be looking at a born sexist in the mirror. Tip number 6. Be touchy. Being sexist can be as simple as deliberately touching a person in the most inappropriate places. Sneakily dropping a woman's bum or brushing against her boobs is not just sexist, it's also disgusting and amounts to assault in most places. Thinking that someone else's body is all yours to grab when you please can make you the kind of sexist that you can proudly boast of, or you might not even have to because it might land you in jail. Tip number 7. Tell sexist jokes. Jokes like women belong in the kitchen and telling a sensitive man to stop behaving like a woman are no longer funny. But it doesn't mean you should stop making such jokes to amuse yourself. Joking about such things perpetuates sexist stereotypes and can easily offend others. We should make you want to do so more. Don't miss a chance to display your distasteful yet great sense of humor. Tip number 8. Give preference to one gender. Men can be engineers, architects, professional gamers, etc., while women can be nurses, babysitters, and school teachers. If you don't find anything wrong with such statements, then you clearly prefer one gender over the other for certain jobs, which makes you a sexist. If you also think that women get promotions by seducing men in higher positions and vice versa, good job, you are there from head to toe. Tip number 9. Show them their true place. People speak all kinds of mean things in anger. When you are angry, your mean statements should be meant to show the other person their true place based on their gender. So for women, it could be household, and for men, who am I kidding? It's called patriarchy for a good reason. Tip number 10. Connect flaws to one gender. To err is human, but certain flaws can be easily connected to one's gender. For example, men cannot be good babysitters, women can drive a car, men are addicts, women are all about cosmetics, and so on. Basically, you should connect flaws to gender and generalize. This is how you can help build a sexist society. I don't know how you're going to do all this because I'm feeling all drained just by talking about it. Good luck. And if you believe in progress, do the opposite. I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button if you do. There is also a dislike button if you don't. Please subscribe if you want to see more such videos. Thank you for watching till the end. See you in the next one. Bye. Here is a fun exercise. Imagine you were born as a different gender. What kind of sexist comments would you like to make about people of your gender? For example, if you're a man, be in a woman's shoes for a minute and think of sexist comments that you can make against men. Shout out in the comments below.